All right, welcome back, class. Professor Piggy here. Today, we're going to tackle a topic that I know gives a lot of people a major headache: security controls. But don't you worry. By the end of this, you're going to see it's actually as easy as making a sandwich. Seriously.
So first, let's do a super quick recap. You remember this formula, right? The scary one? We've got the wolf. That's our threat, always out there. And if our door's unlocked, that's the vulnerability. Well, you multiply those two together, and you get a whole lot of risk.
Okay, so with all that risk just hanging over our heads, what are we supposed to do? Do we just, I don't know, panic, curl up in a ball and cry? Nope, not happening. Not on my watch.
We don't panic. We fight back. And the way we fight back, our big weapon in this whole thing, is something called security controls. This is how we actually stand up and defend ourselves. So what in the world is a security control? It's actually really simple. It's anything you use to lower your risk. Think of them like superpowers. You know, a shield to block stuff, a sword to fight with, maybe a giant castle wall. It could even be a simple rule book that just says, hey, do not open the gate for wolves. If it lowers the risk, guess what? It's a control. Okay, now, this next part, this is where most students get tripped up, where the confusion really kicks in. But I want you to stick with me, okay? We're going to clear this up for good. Here it is, the big secret. Every single security control out there has two different labels. That's the key. The first label is its category. That's just what it's made of. And the second label is its type. That's what it does. We've got to know both.
And to make this super simple, let's just forget about security for a minute. Yeah, seriously. I want you to picture a big, delicious, super sandwich. Just go with me on this, it's going to make perfect sense.
So that first label, the category, that's just the ingredients of our sandwich. What's it made of? You know, is it bread? Is it meat? Is it lettuce? In security, it's the same idea. Is this control made of technology, paperwork? Is it something people do, or is it a physical thing? It's all about its basic building blocks.
Now, for the second label, the type. This is about the sandwich's purpose. What is it trying to do to your taste buds? Is it spicy? Is it sweet? Is it a breakfast sandwich? Back in the security world, we're asking, what's the control's job? Is it trying to stop an attack, detect one, or help you clean up the mess afterward? It's all about its function.
Okay, time to bring it back to cybersecurity. But before we go any further, I need you to burn this phrase into your mind. Say it with me. One control, two labels, always, every single time, no exceptions. So here's a quick little preview of those main categories, the ingredients we were talking about. You've got technical, that's all the shiny gadgets and software. Managerial, which, yeah, can be the boring paperwork, but it's so important. Operational, that's the busy humans doing their jobs. And physical, you know, the solid stuff you can actually touch. We are going to dive way deeper into these next time. Now this slide right here is your secret weapon. It's a little cheat sheet for telling the categories apart. So if it's about policy or making decisions about risk, that's managerial. If it's a piece of tech doing the security work, that's technical. If it's all about people following procedures, that's operational. And my absolute favorite, if you can kick it, lock it, or climb it, it's physical. Listen, I get it. This is a lot of new terms all at once. But if you walk away from this explainer remembering just one thing, please let it be my golden rule. Don't panic about all the lists. Just remember, one control equals two labels. Let's actually try it out. Think about a firewall. First question, what is it made of? Well, it's software, right? A shiny gadget. So its category is technical, okay? Second question, what does it do? It blocks bad traffic. It prevents attacks. So its type is preventive. See? One control, two labels. It works. Let's do one more just to make sure it sticks. A security camera. Okay, what's it made of? It's a little plastic box, a physical thing you can hold, so its category is physical. Now what does it do? It watches things, it records things, so you can detect if something bad happened. So its type is detective. See how easy that is?
So let's wrap this all up nice and neat. The big idea for today is this. Categories tell you what a control is. They're the ingredients, the bread, the meat, the lettuce. Types tell you what a control does. Is it spicy? Is it sweet? One is about what it's made of, the other is about its job.
And that's it. You have officially conquered the hardest part of understanding controls. You did great. So in our next explainer, we're going to meet the entire family,
breaking down every category and type with more examples to make sure this stuff sticks in your brain forever. Awesome work today, and I'll see you in the next one.